Alright guys, well when we said the Ford was going to be back, we didn't realize it was going to be this soon. Obviously, it broke down again. So we're going to find out why it won't start. No start condition. I'm imagining it's the fuel pump, but stay tuned. We'll see if we can't get this figured out. So first we're going to start with the fuel pressure, assuming it's a bad fuel pump. Alright guys, so no fuel pressure. So went to obviously the fuel pump on the fuel rail, it's electric, no power. So now we're on to chasing electrical issues. So after chasing down wonderful wiring nightmares, we happen to stumble across our fuel pump relay connection here. And as you can see, it is completely jacked. So we're going to check this out, see what's going on, and we'll be right back. So after chasing and chasing and chasing, we get power to the fuel pump by bypassing our ECC, which is our test connector from pin 37 to 80, which is your live power here, fuel pump here. So by doing so, as soon as you turn on your power on your ACC key switch, you immediately get voltage to your pump, which tells us our high pressure pump is bad, and our pump relay. So we're going to replace those. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so we just got back from the parts store. High pressure fuel pump, obviously new fuel filter. We're going to put those in there and we'll be right back. Okay, so once you climb up under the driver's side wheel here, you'll see the fuel filter and the high pressure fuel pump. We got the old one out with these three tools. Gonna put the new one in, and hopefully we'll be done with this nightmare. Alright guys, got the fuel pump switched, new filter in it. Let's see what happens. Well, there you have it. Until next time.